Okay, welcome to the show. Grab a beer or a pina colada. We're on island time tonight here. We're assembling this HTP cart 2020, and surprisingly it's not made in China. And this there is our made in USA custom tank holder, laser cut 3/16 material. It ships to you as a flat pattern, and then you break it in the vise with a crescent wrench by yourself. Weld up the slots if you want to, and weld it to the cart. So have fun, watch me assembling this cart. So when you put these front casters in, make sure you put the bolts in from the bottom, the nuts on the top, so that the casters will still swivel later on. Guy's gonna go here in between those screws, and that guy is gonna go here, and then your tanks are gonna fit right there, chained on. 2 160 cubic foot tanks, not a problem. So there's not much strength here needed. Vertical down is the easiest, cheapest, fastest, lowest spatter. Just a small skinny little weld just to hold everything in place and not to slowly rely on those 3 tabs to hold everything in. You don't really have to weld it if you don't want to, but just to give it a little bit makes it look good too.